Alrighty, folks. Looks like this market just might be trying to recover, and we're getting a little bit high on the margin ratio here. So I figured I would show you guys what we need to do to figure out a little bit better situation here, because we are pretty high on our short leverage here. So we need to adjust it, and all we have to do is come in here and then just say, all right, what if we add another $10 of margin? That'll bring us down quite a bit. So what we do in that case, we do have $11 of a BUSD in there, but since we did do a bunch of adjustments down in here, we are absolutely in profit on our Bitcoin here. So let's switch this around, and we're gonna say, I've already forgot, what did I say, $15, $10? It's been one of those weeks, folks. Yeah, $15. I said $10, I think. Why you not like me? There we go. Yeah, so $10, and we're gonna shut you off. All right, and so $10 would get us there. $15 would get us quite a bit better. So yeah, let's go $15. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and swap out of $15 worth of Bitcoin. Take our whatever our profit ends up being there. It's a little bit. So we'll go and take and swap out of the $15 of Bitcoin, bringing us back, taking some profit. And now, once this confirms, we'll be able to come over here and hopefully, since it's out of sync again, this may not happen, folks. But we'll see what it happens here. We'll see if we can add some loot to this, because all we're going to do is end up changing the leverage ratio, the leverage and margin ratios, by adding that money back into the equation here. Let me just reload this to see if we can make it cooperate for once in its life. Wow, and I got that one talking too. And we need to shut you guys up because, yeah, there we go. And was there a message for me there, actually? Oh, no, never mind. And, alright, let's see if it cooperates this time. It is not cooperating, folks. Did it even confirm on the Binance network yet? It did. View on the Block Explorer, it did. Why in hell did it take me through UST? Okay, fucking, I guess so, whatever. But yeah, let's try this again. This may be a futile investment, folks. I might have to just do the $10 because this is a problem with MICDEX. They swear they're fixing this problem in their version 4. Every time they decide to go out of sync, you can't interact with the system. And no, there's people interacting. So there's been $25,000 basically traded in this market, but for some reason, right at the minute I decide to go into a video, it doesn't work. All right, so let's just go and add the $10 that's available in my wallet and see if it lets me do it. Because I'm just interacting with the contract. This is just the web interface that's not updating. Will it even allow me to try to do 15? Yeah, see, the web interface won't even let me do it, even though I know I have $15 in my account here. Swap exact tokens for tokens. What kind of loot do I got in here? See, it only says $11 there. I don't think that trade went through, folks. Or the network is broken right now. Swap exact tokens for tokens. Oh, I only took $10 out 23 hours ago. I think I didn't click a button right, folks, or did I reject? Maybe you guys will notice it in the video. Maybe I reject. Yeah, see, maybe I rejected. Let's try this again, folks. I might end up selling this twice. I don't know. I don't know what's happening, folks. So let's try this again. Bitcoin back to BUSD. We want 15 Doolary dues. Yeah, see, it's not even seeing the wallet now. Alright, 15 Doolary dues. There we go. I swear I did this once, folks. Basis trades, 10E, mainnet, confirm. It's been one of those days, folks. One of those days. Maybe one of even those weeks, maybe. And of course you can't find the transaction yet. There we go. So this decided to transact. Short while. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. There we go. So now that transaction went through. So now I have 15 more BUSD. There we go. There we go, folks. Things are finally cooperating. So now we'll go in and admit another transaction for making this thing happen. So we're talking on mainnet on our basis trades to whatever contract they're telling us to talk to there. All right, now that's a little better. So now if everything cooperates again, you see it keeps giving us blockchain errors. But effectively now we've adjusted the margin. We've taken a little profit on the recovery there, this little bit of recovery we made. And boom, we now are back to a legitimate 2/3x with definitely less than 40% margin ratio there, folks. And as you can see right now, we're at 59 cents of additional income we didn't have before, and a P&L of 20. But their gorilla math is wrong here. Oh no, they fixed it. Sweet. So yeah, we're up 151% on this particular leg, and we've also, so we've made 150% on the short because our entry price is 38, and we're still trading at 29. So we've got a bunch of profit there that we can take, and that we have been taking through releasing the margin. And now we just did the opposite. So now that the market is starting to come back, we took and sold some of the Bitcoin, some of our long, and then used that BUSD that come out of that sale and just put it right back into the margin to lower it back up. So we're going to keep recycling this money, and the theory is over time you're going to get a little bit more funding, and then depending on which way the market goes, how many times, like this was an epic crash, and I'm kind of glad I was able to capture some of this on video, because normally I wouldn't adjust things this frequently, especially with this small of an account, because it takes $1 or so in gas every time you emit one of these transactions because they're so complex. So that's what I'm saying. So these numbers may not make necessarily sense in the big picture, but if you're talking thousands of dollars in a real trades, you definitely want to make sure everything's right and capture your movements here and keep your margin and your leverage in check. And you just make money no matter which way the market goes. That's just how I prefer to trade. Is let the market do what it's going to do, because we can't control it. We're not whales. Just ride both sides of the wave, just like we did, folks. So, all right. If you like to discuss this stuff, if you like sniping coins on Binance Smart Chain or the new FTM or Kronos, we got a good channel on sniping and talking about how to watch for liquidity and stuff on TX Pool. We do a lot of chat in our coding channel on just getting up to speed on JavaScript or Python or Solidity questions. So yeah, come join us on Discord, and I will catch you in that next video, folks.